How to save avatars on Roblox. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. Today's video is about how you can save avatars on Roblox. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First up, locate your Roblox app and then open it up. After you open up your Roblox, make sure you're logged in into your account. After you've logged in, at the bottom you will find avatar option. So tap on avatar, and after you tap on avatar, you'll see your current avatar, and after you've done that, you can then start editing it. So on the top, you'll find the customize option. Tap on customize, and after you do that, you'll find what you want to edit. So simply tap on what you want to edit. So let's say that I want to give it a hair. I'll just add a hair here. And after you've done that, you can then browse through other stuff here, such as accessories and many more options. After you've done that, you can then head over to the avatars option right here. After you're in the avatars section, tap on add/manage, or if you see a gear icon, simply tap on that. After you tap on that, you can see add as a new avatar. Tap on add as a new avatar, and you can name it. So you can give it whatever name you want. After you've given it a name, tap on add, and the avatar will have been added. Similarly, you can make more edits to your avatar and then tap on add/manage again, and then add as new avatar. So let's say that I want to name it as this, then tap on add again, and you can see there are now multiple avatars. So all you have to do is save an avatar as a new character. And that's basically it, guys, and that's all for today. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye-bye. Take care.